In this lecture, what we will cover is a basic concept of a Oracle module. So from our last lecture, we know that Oracle ERP is a package solution, right? And the way that it delivers this solution is through various modules. So question might come, what is an Oracle module, right? What is a module in itself? It can happen with, it can come to any beginner, right? So before we understand module, we just need to understand two basic terminologies. These are not official terminology, but still for understanding. There is something called a business process, right? And then there are activities that are performed within those business process, right? So business process, as the name might suggest, is any regular structured process or steps that that is being done in a business, right? So for example, your HR is your business process, yeah, or your accounting is a business process. Now within each business process, people do various activities, right? Like in accounting, we do journaling, right? Similarly, if you have a payables business process, you do stuff like invoicing, payment, so on, right? Oracle ERP as a package solution provides ability to do various activities. You can do a lot of things within Oracle, right? But then how does it deliver it to the end customer? So what it does is that it takes all its activities that it provides, right, and then groups it as per the business process. So for example, it has business, say activities like something like this, right, from A1 to AN. N is really into hundreds and thousands of activities that can be done within Oracle ERP, right? And then it does a grouping as per business process. Now when they're doing this grouping, it's quite possible that there are different activities which belong to the same business process, can belong to the same business process, right? For example, here I'm taking A1, A3, A4 all belong to the same business process of B1. Okay? So then these activities are grouped into something called a module. So a module is nothing but a grouping of activities which generally belongs to the same business business process, right? So any module, like Oracle delivers most of its capabilities through modules. Like for example, there is a very popular module called GL, right? Oracle GL. Now Oracle GL provides, as the name suggests, Oracle GL provides various activities, like just for example, journaling, right? Your balance sheets and P&L, right? Your adjustments, period end adjustments, right? Most of your accounting reporting, right? Things like that. So any module that you understand is basically a reference to a group of activities that those module can perform. So a module is not a function in itself, it's a group of function, right? So similarly, AP has functions of, say, invoicing, payment, again some reporting, right? So any module that you understand, that you see in Oracle, would be a group of activities that it supports. Okay, so that's the basic concept of a module. So a module is equal to activities belonging to a specific business process. That's it. That's the basic understanding of a module. Now it's possible that few activities belong to different business process, right, and then as a result can belong to different modules, but at a very basic level, this is our understanding. So those at that point we get into more advanced discussions, but for this discussion, let's keep the understanding being a module as a grouping of activities belonging to a specific business process. and Oracle has named it to different modules, so you will get a name of modules like GL, AP, AR, FA, purchasing, inventory. There are so many Oracle modules. The name is obviously for understanding and the recall value, but the basic premise and the basic construct of each module is same, right? It has a module. If you see any module, you can really break down into different distinct activities that is being performed under that module. Okay, thank you for listening, and we will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.